How to connect EA account to Apex Legends Mobile. So this will allow you to unlock the free linking bonus gift. So first of all, you'll want to click on settings, and how to do that is by clicking that button in the bottom left hand corner. Then once you're on the settings page, look towards the top. There should be a little plus icon. Potentially for you, that will have a thing where it says a linking bonus and a little arrow next to it. Either which way, click that plus button there, then click the EA logo at the top of the screen. Then you want to type in your email and password, and once you've done that, you'll need to go to the email or even your phone number you just used, and then you should see a code. Once you have that, type in that code there, then click sign in. Once that's done, that should be the process over. So you should say you successfully linked your account. Click confirm, and then you should be able to go and receive your free linking bonus gift. So you can go into there and redeem that. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.